Hi friends, welcome to our educational quiz mania channel. Students, in this video, today we are going to solve second semester exam based on summative evaluation standard 6 subject general science. So, let's get started. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, हा पेपर 40 गुणांसाठी असून हा पेपर तुमच्या सरावासाठी तयार करण्यात आलेला आहे. याचा तुम्हाला नक्कीच फायदा होईल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A. Fill in the blanks. This question has 4 marks. 1. The kite looking for its prey flies with dash motion in the sky. Answer is circular. 2. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called dash. Answer is energy. 3. Noise pollution is a dash issue. Answer is social. 4. Dash is a stormy planet. Answer is Jupiter. B. Identify the types of motion. This question has 2 marks. 1. A fish swimming in water. Answer is random motion. 2. A rocket launch from the ground. Answer is linear motion. C. Match the following. This question has 3 marks. 1. Lifting a heavy iron object with a crane. Answer is magnetic force. 2. Weighing with a spring balance. Answer is gravitational force. 3. Applying brakes to bicycle. Answer is frictional force. Question number 2A. Find the odd one out. This question has 2 marks. 1. Diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wine. Answer is wine. 2. Sunlight, wine, waves, petrol. Answer is petrol. B. Classify the energy resources into conventional and non-conventional groups. This question has 2 marks. Conventionals are petrol, diesel, and non-conventional is atom of uranium, sun. C. True or false? This question has 2 marks. The wave of vibrations cause a sound wave. Sentence is true. 2. The transmission of sound is fastest in air. This sentence is false. Question number 3A. Right answer to the following. This question has 3 marks. 1. What is green energy? Answer. The energy resources which do not emit smoke and carbon products are called green energy resources. The energy produced in this way is the green energy. 2. What are the various forms of energy? Answer. Mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy are the various forms of energy. 3. What is meant by weight? Answer. The gravitational force acting on an object is called the weight of that object. 4. What is meant by vibration? Answer. The rapid oscillations or to and fro movements of an object is called vibration. Vibrating objects have a particular speed. 5th. What is meant by noise pollution? Answer. A condition in which there is continuous, unwanted and unpleasant sound is called noise pollution. B. Draw figures and name it. This question has 4 marks. 1. Reflection of light. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, खाली दिल्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला सुंदर व सुबक अशी रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाईटची आकृती काढायची आहे व या आकृतीला योग्य अशी नावे द्यायची आहेत. 2. पिन होल कॅमेरा. खाली पिन होल कॅमेराची आकृती दिलेली आहे. तुम्हाला सुंदर व सुबक अशी आकृती काढायची आहे व आकृतीला योग्य अशी नावे द्यायची आहेत. C. Write the answers in your words. This question has 8 marks. 1. What measures will you take to control noise pollution? Answer. Unnecessarily blowing of horns of the vehicles should be completely prevented. The entertainment of our homes should not be trouble for others. Therefore, the volume of TV or radio should be kept at minimum. Factories, airports, railway stations and bus stands, etc. can create lot of noise. Therefore, they should not be located in the residential areas, but they should be away from localities where people stay. 2. What is meant by complex machines? Answer. The machines in which many parts are joined with each other are called complex machines. Different processes take place in these individual parts. The structure of such machines is complicated. When a complex machine is made, it may be connected to or more simple machines in it. 3. When can an object be seen? Answer. The light rays from the source of the light fall on an object. When this light reflects from the surface of the object, it enters our eyes. Therefore, we are able to see this object. The luminous objects can be seen as they emit their own light. 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example, magnetic force. Answer. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. Magnetic force is used in many gadgets such as doorbell, huge cranes that lift loads. 5. What is meant by simple machines? Answer. Devices which are used for day-to-day work to perform the work efficiently in less time and with less effort are called machines. The machines that have only one or two parts and have simple and easy structure are called simple machines. 6. What is a shadow? Answer. Shadow is produced by an opaque object. Light does not pass through an opaque object. It does not reach the wall or any other surface on the other side of the object. This part therefore remains dark. This dark area is called the shadow of that object. Question number 4a. How are we different? This question has 4 marks. 1. Linear motion and random motion. Answer. 1. In linear motion, the object travels in a straight line and in the same direction. In random motion, the object travels in any direction and with continuously changing speed. 2. Objects displaying linear motion always travel in a straight line, and objects displaying random motion never travel in one straight line. The example of linear motion are moving train, parading soldiers. Example of random motion is flying birds, swimming fish. 2. Muscular force and mechanical force. 1. Muscular force is created by our muscles, that is in our body, and mechanical force is created by the machines. 2. Muscular force is created due to the energy created by the food we eat, and mechanical force is created due to electricity or fuel. B. Why? This question has 6 marks. 1. Machines are oiled from time to time. Answer. Machines are used to save our energy and time. The machines working on mechanical force should work efficiently. If they are not oiled, the frictional force may be created between the surfaces of this machine. If frictional force is more, it will show down the speed and efficiency of the machine. Therefore, machines are oiled from time to time. 2. Travelers' bags have wheels. Answer. Wheel is simple machine. If the heavy bag is to be lifted, it will require more effort. Instead, drawing it on wheels becomes easier and efficient. It consumes lesser time and lesser energy to carry a bag. Therefore, traveler bags have wheels. 3. An object thrown upwards comes down after reaching a point. Answer. An object thrown upwards goes up due to muscular force. At one point during its ascent, the muscular force becomes zero. The gravitational force then starts operating on this object. It pulls this object down. Thus, an object thrown upwards comes down after reaching a point. Fourth, machines have to be maintained. Answer. Parts of the machine undergo wear and tear. Due to constant rubbing, some parts may even get damaged. The weather, the rust, and the dust may spoil the parts of the machines. If the machine is not functioning well, we may not use this facility when we need it the most. Therefore, machines need to be maintained रेग्युलरली. तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर हा व्हिडिओ तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना नक्की शेअर करा, जेणेकरून त्यांनाही या व्हिडिओचा लाभ घेता येईल. असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हो, शेजारील बेल आयकॉन दाबायला विसरू नका, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओंचे नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला वेळेवर मिळतील. Thank you.